Hello guys, welcome to my Explore YouTube channel. In this video, we will see a new project, cloud-based weather station, which is developed using ESP8266 NodeMCU ESP8266 development board. In this project, we will build cloud weather station dashboard to visualize our ESP sensor readings from anywhere in the world. You will see the sensor data of temperature and humidity get displayed on web dashboard with gauges and in table format. So let's get started. First we see what technologies and tools used in this project. So to build this project, we will be using NodeMCU ESP8266 development board programmed with Arduino IDE. We will be using hosting server and domain name services. We will be also using PHP script to insert data into MySQL database and display the sensor readings on web page like this. We will be also using MySQL database to store the temperature and humidity readings in a database. So this is all about technologies. Now let's see overview of this project. In this project we will be building a cloud-based weather station dashboard to visualize sensor readings from anywhere in the world. We will be using ESP8266 that sends sensor DHT22 readings to our own server on a cloud. For this, we have to connect our ESP8266 board to internet enabled router. On a cloud, in our server, there is a PHP script that allows us to store our readings in a MySQL database. Then another PHP script on our server will display the web page with a gauges table and all the other information like this. So finally we can visualize the readings of sensor from anywhere in the world by accessing our own domain name, which is server location on a cloud. So this is all about overview. Now let's see schematics of this project. In this project, we will be using DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. Then we will be using NodeMCU ESP8266 development board to measure the readings locally. To measure the DHT22 and humidity sensor readings locally, we have connected here 0.96 inch OLED display, which is connected using I2C protocol. You can see here SDA and SCL lines. So this is a schematic of this project. We will post the schematics on our GitHub page and share the link in the description of this video. Now let's move forward and see working of this project. For weather station, we are going to measure temperature and humidity. For this, we will be using DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. This sensor is connected with NodeMCU ESP8266 development board. This NodeMCU ESP8266 development board is a Wi-Fi enabled. So we can connect that to our wireless router using Wi-Fi. So router must be connected to the internet. It will help us to connect our local network to the internet or a cloud. On a cloud, there is our cloud hosting server, which has a specific domain name, for example example.com.net, etc. So this domain name is web address of our cloud server on the internet or cloud. Now NodeMCU development board takes sensor readings, temperature and humidity, and post that reading by using HTTP post request through the router to the cloud hosting server. Therefore, temperature and humidity data of weather station is sent to the cloud server through internet connected to the router. Now on a cloud server there is a PHP script which publishes the sensor readings coming from this NodeMCU through router through internet to the MySQL database. It will publish that readings to the MySQL database. Now suppose you are at a remote location or any location around the world with connected to the internet, then you can call our domain name, for example any m2e projects.tk or etc. Then this PHP script on our server, which is esp-weather-station.php, on our cloud server, this script read sensor readings from a MySQL database and displays on your screen like this with web page and different parameter gauges and in table format. Hence you can visualize your web weather station data from anywhere from the world. So you can see here there are two PHP script on our server, which is first is a ESP post data.php. This PHP script post or publish the sensor readings to the MySQL database, and this PHP script esp-weather-station.php will fetch those readings from MySQL database and display this web dashboard. So this is all about working of this project theoretically. Now let's see demo of this project. Okay, now let's see demo of this project. So first of all we will see what hardware component involved in this project. So this one is the NodeMCU ESP8266 development board. You can compare these all with this schematic here. So this one is the DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor module, this one. So this sensor is a module which comes with another variant also like this. You can see here it has a 4 pins, and this sensor here we have connected, it is a module with 3 pins which has a breakout board on its back side. So it has a 3 pins, ground, output and VCC. This is 0.96 inch OLED display to display the temperature and humidity readings locally. So these are all components. We will share the schematic on our GitHub page. You can find the link in the description of this video. So now let's start the demo. Let's connect power on the circuit. Now it will try to connect with our Wi-Fi to the internet. Okay, sensor is okay. Now it is fetching the readings. So here is the temperature and humidity readings. You can see here. Now we will check these readings on our cloud dashboard. So you have to first connect with the internet. Okay, we have connected with the Wi-Fi now. Let's go to our dashboard.
So this is the link you can see here. We will access this PHP file, ESP cloud weather station.php. Okay, this is the dashboard. You can see here last reading is of this one, and you can compare these readings. These are real-time readings of temperature and humidity. You can see here. In table format also. Sensor, location, and temperature and humidity readings.